The people at Ford gave their all. And it was a beautiful, beautiful thing to see. My name is Courtney Myers. I'm with Waystone LLC. I'm the AV and IT integrator for the First Americans Museum. The curators, the directors, everybody here has poured their heart and soul into telling the Native American story from their family, their own, and their people's point of view. Outside of the galleries, everything was early 2000s technology. So I was brought in to bring it up to date. I needed a project partner that had the expertise to pull off the technology that we needed at the time. And Ford gave us that in spades. I have used Ford on multiple projects and I've always had a great experience with them. And so when it came to doing this, I instantly thought of Ford because I knew that they would get the job done. So in the Exchange Theater, we have lighting, we have an amazing sound system in the Hall of the People, and out in the Festival Plaza, we have this amazing sound system with really, really crisp audio. We have all these little flexible suites with technology in them. We have a ton of classrooms in the FAM Theater. We have a full theater. It's a small, basically off-Broadway theater. So the community can come in, do dances, recitals, show movies, showcase whatever they want. This really is a museum to be used by everybody. The people at Ford gave their all. And it was a beautiful, beautiful thing to see.